Hello students, I hope you are well and doing great. My dear students, in mathematics, when we are doing some mathematical discussion, when we are doing some mathematical discussion, then we are using scientific conclusion. Okay, in mathematical discussion we are using scientific conclusion, means some result are given by mathematically depend on scientific conclusion. So mathematical discussion by using scientific conclusion. Okay, means result depend on scientific conclusion, and scientific conclusion is the process of reasoning. Scientific conclusion is the process of reasoning. Means, what do you mean by process of reasoning? My dear students, when we are giving some result, okay, suppose a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, okay, some another properties or identities, means when we are doing such type mathematical discussion, then arising here scientific conclusion, result based on scientific conclusion, and for proving it scientifically, then we are using process of reasoning. And process of reasoning have two types: deduction, deduction also, deduction or deductive, induction or inductive. Okay, so in process of reasoning we have two types: deduction and induction. Okay, what do you mean by deduction? Deduction is from general to particular, okay, from general to particular means we have one result if any two digit number with unit digit 0 or 5, either you can say any number with unit digit 0 or 5 is divisible by 5, either you can say divisibility test of 5. So we all are aware of divisibility test of 5 is unit digit of the number is 0 or 5. Okay, so it is generalization. Then we can say that 85 is divisible by 5, so it is particular result and it is general result. Okay, generalize mean divisibility test of 5 and particular mean give an example 85. Clear? Now induction. What do you mean by induction? Induction is from particular to general. Okay, from particular to general. In this process we will take an example. Suppose we 2 4 46 26, we have two digit number with unit digit 4 6, you can say either 2. So all number are divisible by 2. All numbers are divisible by 2. So if we will announce a number with unit digit 2 4 6 8 or 0 is divisible by 2, but in this case we want to reach from particular to general. So here we have seen that it is divisible by 2, it is also 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 divisible by 2. Then we have some particular example, then we will announce at generalization that every two digit number is divisible by 2, okay, when its unit digit is 0 2 4 6 8, and it is the process of induction, you can say inductive. But when I will say every two digit number is divisible by 2, every two digit means 47 25, it is not possible, it is not possible. So dear students, in induction actually we have in induction we have some conjecture or guesswork. So what do you mean by conjecture? Conjecture means अनुमान लगाना. Conjecture means अनुमान करना. In conjecture means we can say without any evidence or proof, किसी को मान लेना without any proof. Okay, suppose let ये आदि क्या है बेटे conjectures. तो dear student, कंजक्चर और गैस वर्क जो होता है इंडक्शन में, समटाइम्स इसके अंदर हमारा कोई भी हमने सपोज किया वो टेस्ट फेल हो जाता है. क्या हो जाता है? फेल. अगर आपका गैस वर्क फेल हो जाए तो उस कंडीशन में हमें क्या देना होता है? काउंटर एग्जाम्पल. क्या देना होता है? काउंटर एग्जाम्पल. सपोज मैंने बोला एवरी टू डिजिट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, बिकॉज वी हैव 5-6 एग्जाम्पल, देन अनाउंस्ड एवरी टू डिजिट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. ओके, इट इज आवर टेस्ट जो है इंडक्शन के अंदर वो फेल हो गया, बिकॉज वी न्यू डैट 25 47 such type more than, okay, more numbers are there which is not divisible by 2. So we have given counter example 47 25. Clear? But mostly conjectures or guess work will prove by using the method of induction. We can say PMI, principle of mathematical induction. So my dear students, listen carefully. In mathematical discussion we are drawing some scientific conclusion, and scientific conclusion depend on the process of reasoning, and process of reasoning have two types, deductive or inductive. Either you can say deduction and induction. Deduction means from general to particular, and induction means from particular to general. Okay, so today we will discuss about induction which means particular to journal, and particular to journal means we are using some conjecture or guesswork. Conjecture means taken or taking without any proof or evidence, बिना किसी साक्ष्य के आपको अनुमान करना, उसको प्रूफ मान लेना. क्लियर? सो फॉर प्रूविंग कंजक्चर और गैस वर्क we will use principle of mathematical induction. Today we will discuss more about principle mathematical of induction. Now let us see. Now principle of mathematical induction in PMI, in short we will write PMI. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी गिवन स्टेटमेंट होता है, मीन्स जो भी कंजक्चर होता है, उसको हम क्या सपोज करते हैं? पीएम. क्या लेंगे उसको? पीएम. स्टेटमेंट आइदर कंजक्चर्स और गैस वर्क. जो भी आपको वेरीफाई करना है, वी वांट टू वेरीफाई एनी स्टेटमेंट और कंजक्चर और गैस वर्क, आप उसको क्या लेंगे? पीएम. because in PMI some working rule or you can say step. इसके steps क्या होते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी स्टेटमेंट होगा, आइदर कंजक्चर होगा, उसको हम क्या सपोज करेंगे? पीएम. एंड वेयर n belongs to natural number, n belongs to natural number. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल n is equal to 1. आपको गिवन कंजक्चर में जो Pn है उसमें क्या लेना होगा? n is equal to 1 which is true, यानी n is equal to 1 is true. ये आपका रिजल्ट ट्रू होना चाहिए. जब आप गिवन कंजक्चर में n की जगह 1 पुट करेंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या होना चाहिए? ट्रू. देन assume that, we assume that n is equal to k is true. ये आपको assume करना है, ये चेक करेंगे और ये ट्रू होगा, ये assume करना है. ओके, means n is equal to k. Here n is equal to 1, then k, then n is equal to k plus 1. Means we want to prove that n is k plus 1. ओके, तो सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एक्चुअली क्या होगा, आपकी जो भी स्टेटमेंट होगी उसको आप Pn लेंगे और उसमें n की जगह 1 पुट करेंगे. आप चेक करेंगे 1 उसमें वेरीफाई होता है, लेफ्ट इक्वल टू राइट, तो विच इज ट्रू. देन आप एज्यूम करेंगे, अगर हम n की जगह k ले लेते हैं, ऑल्सो ट्रू. बट इन लास्ट n इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 1 आपको प्रूव करना है. ओके, प्रूव करने के लिए हम किसका हेल्प लेते हैं? n इज इक्वल टू k. क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस सी वन एग्जांपल. नाउ आवर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज, वी हैव गिवन वन स्टेटमेंट और कंजक्चर written here Pn. nq plus n is divisible by 3. P3 is true. Okay, if we will take n as 3, then P3 is 3q plus 3, 27 plus 3, 30. Divisible by 3, 30 is divisible by 3. Okay, so it is true. But when n is 4, so P4 is 4q plus 4, 68 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so it is not true. Clear? We have checked here. Statement nq plus n is divisible by 3. When n is 3, n is 4. Now n is 3 is true, but n4 is not true. Next example. Now we have one statement 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. Either you can say sum of all natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, where n belongs to natural. We will prove it by using PMI. PMI means principle of mathematical induction. So dear student, first of all, what is the step? Step. First of all, n is equal to 1 is true. ये होना चाहिए हमारे पास. तो for when n is 1 mean we will take first term. If n is 2, then we will take first two term. So where n is 1, we will take only first term. When n is 2, then we will take first two term. When n is 3, then we will take first three term. Okay. So here when n is 1, so P1 is first term in left side 1, and at RHS 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 is also 1. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. So means n is equal to 1 is true. Okay. In second step, n is equal to k is true. We assume it. Now we will write we assume that n is equal to k is true. Okay, means pk, n को किस में लिखेंगे आप? k. pk, वो मूवी वाला pk नहीं है ये. pk is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is k into k plus 1 by 2. k into k plus 1 by 2. We suppose it is first. Okay. Now step third क्या होता है इसमें? 1 2 k is assumed and n is k plus 1. We want to prove that. So here we will write, we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1 is true. Now we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1 is true. So pk plus 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. जहाँ भी n है वहाँ आपको k plus 1 पुट करना है. ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे यहाँ पे आप. ओके, मीन्स k plus 1 1 2 by 2. Now we want to prove this part. Clear? Dear students, we will observe that if here is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 से just before 2, 2 से just before 1, and one term is less. तो k plus 1 से just before क्या आएगा? k. क्या आएगा? k. And then k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1 k plus 2 by 2. We want to prove this part is equal to this. Okay, so we will take left side. In left side we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. Now from first we assume that ये जो part है इसके इक्वल है. ओके, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट वी assume that, हमने assume कर लिया था 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k किसके इक्वल होगा? k into k plus 1 by 2. So here we will write from first we will write its place is k into k plus 1 by 2 and plus k plus 1. Now you will take LCM. a into k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1. Now k plus 1 is common and k plus 2 by 2. Now you will observe this part equal to this means equal to RHS. Okay, so we will write by using PMI. It is true for every natural number. By using PMI, it is true for every natural number. Okay, let us see next example. Now dear students, we want to prove that 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3, point means multiply, dot, it is dot, 1 upon 3 dot 4 plus up to 1 upon n into n plus 1 is equal to n by n plus 1. We will prove it by using PMI. Now what is the property of PMI? First of all, put n is equal to 1. So in left side P1 is 1 upon only first term means 1 by 2, and in RHS n as 1 plus 1 is also 1 by 2. Clear? It means n is equal to 1 is true. Clear? Now we assume that n is equal to k is true. अब हम क्या करेंगे, n is equal to k is true लेकर चलते हैं PMI में. So p k is 1 upon 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 plus k into k plus 1 is equal to k upon k plus 1. We suppose it is first. Now we have supposed n is equal to k is true. Now in third step, we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. We want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. So pk plus 1 is 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. Then where n written, we will write k plus 1. K plus 1 plus 1. K plus 1 upon k plus 1 plus 1 means k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Now we want to prove that this part is equal to this part, left equal to right. Dear student, we defined it 1, 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 plus, dear student, you will see here 3, here 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and one term is less. So here before this term, if here k plus 1, so just before is k, or just before k plus 1 k, and k plus 1 is k plus 1 plus this term. Okay, either you can say, dear student, we will observe again. देखना आपको क्या है, if here is 2, here 1, 3 then 2, 3 then 2, 4 then 3, यानी in each term preceding term is less than 1. If here x plus 1, then we will write k plus 1, then we will write here k. and k plus 2, then k plus 1. Okay. Now you know this part is equal to from first we observe this part is equal to k upon k plus 1, k upon k plus 1 and plus 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now we will take LCM, k plus 1, k plus 2, where k into k plus 2 plus 1. Now solve, multiply k square plus 2k plus 1, and you know it is the whole square of k plus 1. K plus 1 whole square, k plus 1, k plus 2. Cancel. Our result is k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Clear? And equal to this part. So therefore, by using PMI, you can say it is true for every natural. Clear? So my dear student, you should try such type questions. Okay, questions of PMI and some other question related to PMI less than equal to or some multiple we will discuss in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.